Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be talking about chapter 13 from the book Digital Marketing, published by Pearson. This chapter focuses on digital marketing strategy and planning, and it explains how businesses create structured digital plans to reach customers effectively. This source was published within the last year and is commonly used in digital marketing courses to explain how strategy connects goals, channels, and performance. The first key idea from chapter 13 is setting clear digital marketing objectives. The book explains that companies need measurable goals, such as increasing website traffic, engagement, or conversions. Without clear objectives, digital marketing efforts are usually ineffective. The second important point is integrated digital strategy. Digital marketing should not exist on its own. It must align with the overall business and marketing strategy. This includes using multiple channels together, like websites, social media, email, and search marketing, instead of relying on only one platform. The third key point is monitoring and optimization. The chapter highlights the importance of using analytics and KPIs to track performance and improve campaigns continuously based on data. This chapter is very relevant to our course because it connects theory with practice. We've already learned about digital channels, content marketing, and analytics, and chapter 13 shows how all of those elements fit into a single digital marketing plan. It helps us understand how strategic planning is essential before launching any digital campaign. In real-world situations, businesses can apply this chapter by creating a structured digital marketing plan before spending money on ads or content. For example, a small business can define its goals, choose the right digital channels for its audience, and then track results using tools like Google Analytics. This helps reduce wasted budget and improves overall performance. To conclude, Chapter 13 shows that successful digital marketing is not about random posting or advertising, but about clear strategy, planning, and continuous improvement. My main takeaway is that having a strong digital strategy makes marketing efforts more efficient and measurable. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.